No, not just yet, no. And so for folks that live near rivers, right, this is going to be an ongoing issue where you have the rainwater getting into the basins, the river basins, and so those rivers are just going to stay swollen and probably not crest for another couple of days. We'll probably have that flooding right through the end of the week for those of you that live on rivers. At the coastline, kind of a different story. We're watching the high tide coming in around 10 o'clock this morning. There could be some minor splash over up and down the eastern and southern facing coast. But it was really the rain that came down in torrents last night, and it left some big puddles here in Plymouth. On Water Street, we'll show you a couple of those. Cars were navigating through some, I'd say, 4 or 5 inch deep puddles in a few spots. But no major flooding that I could find around here. We did find a couple, 3 of those larger puddles with people heading through them, but really that's about it. Back out here live, you can see the wind is still a thing out here. It's not nearly as ferocious as it was earlier, but still rather breezy if you're out and about throughout the course of the day today. We'll have those winds starting to shift into the west later on today as it starts to finally dry out. Live in Plymouth, meteorologist AJ Burnett, WCVB News Center 5.